In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the chart settings on TradingView mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is open your chart, and the settings used to be down here at the bottom right, where you can see your three dots. So when you tap on the three dots, in here, there used to be chart settings. However, for some reason, I cannot find them anymore. So the way I now access them is the following. I go to any of the two ways. The first one is to go to the bottom right, where you can see the small settings cogwheel. So at the bottom right of your chart, tap on that, and then from here scroll to the bottom and tap on more settings. Now you can go to the top left and tap on the arrow to go back, and these are now your chart settings. There's also a second way, which is to double tap on the symbol you're currently in. So I'm on Tesla right now, the Tesla chart. I can go and double tap on Tesla top left, and as you can see here, it's going to open up the chart settings as well. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.